Okay, another unboxing. I just got this yesterday. The Harnds Warrior. Handy for life, hardy for survival. There's the serial number, the description, Harnds Warrior / Generals T. I ordered it as the Harnds Warrior. Must have two different names. Drop point, gray titanium. Oh, here's the layout: D2 steel, edge plane, which just nose serrations, gray titanium, blade length 3.78, overall length is 9.21. The handle's G10 green, and it comes with a durable ballistic nylon shield. It's a folding knife with liner lock. So let's open this puppy up. Comes like this. Okay, here's some paperwork. There's the sheath. Put that there. The paperwork it comes with is, oh crap. See, it's, alright. Just, I haven't read none of this, but I might look through it here. Alright, but there's the Harnds label. Let's see what we got. It gives you this kind of like a business card. It says, gives enjoy your life at Elegance. Must be they have a different brand. May enjoy. I'm not sure. May have to manufacture. If you're caught in some problem when using our products, welcome to contact us anytime. Here's how to contact us: VIP163.com. Alright, so apparently you can contact them. I don't know if it really worked, but they give your contacts. So I already opened this because I've been playing with it last night. But here's what it comes like. It comes in this nice, really nice ballistic nylon sheath, which is pretty neat because it also fits a Gerber multi-tool, so with no problem. So that's an extra bonus. So it goes in there. So set that up here. But the knife itself, I'm not going to really use this because the knife itself comes with a pocket clip anyways. But like I said, just by reading the measurements, this is a pretty big knife, but it's smooth. Let's take a look at. Let's get you a closer look at it. Just kind of do the train. It's lanyard hole. Let's see, it has nice liner lock with the cutout so you can get to it pretty easy. G10 scales, stainless steel, skeletonized, so you can see it in there. So it's lighter. Try to keep the weight down. I'll take a measurement on it here in a second. Let's see, here's the other side. D2 steel. It's called the Warrior. And there's the pocket clip. It's not deep carry, but I don't know if you want deep carry. This is a knife I don't think you care if he shows, but I mean, still, it's only that much would really be showing. But yeah, they're skeletonized in there, so it did try to keep the weight down for being such a large knife. Like you can see, it just, come on, drop. There it goes. Yeah, not much effort. You could drop and close this thing. Yeah, that was nice because it's riding on phosphorus bronze. Let's see, I can't really see it. Maybe, I don't know. Washers. So, and it has, like, people sometimes don't like the name printed everywhere. I don't care, but it has all that. Harnds is also on the pocket clip. advertisements, I guess they call, but I don't know. It has a finger choil or guard, so I mean, so it kind of locks you in. Has the ramp, you put your finger up or thumb. You bring your carefully, you bring your finger all the way up and really get down on it if you wanted to. I don't really feel it. It feels really nice. I can't really feel the pocket clip. I mean, just really much any part of it. It's there, but I don't know if it's just springs. So, but you can see I have size large to X large hand, XL hands, and the blade, it definitely fits my hand easily with the extra. And then especially if you choke up on it, you really got a little extra room. So, but yeah, let's look over. Let's check the weight. Move this out of the way. Turn the scale on. They said it was skeletonized, so all right. And it is, well, we don't want grams, we want ounces. That don't sound right. Let's see. Let's try it again. It says it is 7 ounces. Somewhat heavy knife, but it's a big knife. So, right, 7 ounces. 7 ounces. A lot of people don't like to carry more than 4 ounce for carry, but I don't mind. I'll probably carry, take a turn, you know, switch around. So let's see if I missed anything. This was a gray titanium blade. Yeah, let's do some size comparisons. So here's the Warrior with the ruler compared. Move some of the stuff out of the way. Don't need this. See, here's the about tip to about 9. You can see the ruler. Okay. I need to lay it down this way because the clip's on that side. Alright. So there you go. That's about 9 inches, a little over 9. And to show you how actually big this is a fixed blade Kos. And it is just about as big as this fixed blade. It's about 9 inches too. Has very similar characteristics. I mean, one's fixed and one's not. But let's compare it to other folding knives that you wouldn't carry. That. Well, some people carry fixed blades, but I don't. You'd most likely carry it like a normal. This would be modeled after a Rat 1 Ontario, but it's not. It's the Ganzo, but it's the same size as a Rat 1. Here's a Tenacious. Let's go with Tenacious up on top. You can see the difference in size. The Tenacious is quite a bit smaller, and then this is a Spyderco H1. It's more size compares to the H1. Let's lay the H1 on top of it. Yeah, I mean, this is a lot lighter too, but here's the H1 on it. There's some size comparisons. Of course, this is the biggest knife out of all, the Warrior. But, I mean, if you're ordering the Warrior, you already did prior research. You know it's not a small knife. It's, you know, also a little on the thicker side. If you compare, let's compare it to this one. You can see the thickness of the knife. It's thick. It's big. But I watched some people do some pretty abusive things to it on YouTube. So it'll be there. It would, like, I think their motto is handy for life, hardy for survival. And I seen people do some batoning and stuff to this, and I seen someone stick it in a can, open a paint cans up with it. Just, I mean, it's a beefy blade. I don't do that stuff to my blades because I don't know, because I like them. I like having my knives look nice, but this thing, if need be, it can do it if you have to. But yeah, So anyways, see how nice that is. It comes out nice and quick and drop shut. All right, that's all for today. See you guys later. Bye.